I want to thank Peter at Skull Reviews for sending this jetpack. Thank you very much. Very kind of you. This is a 3D item that Peter printed. He included this helmet. The jetpack fits most figures very well. I haven't had any problems with that. The body of the jetpack is hollow and very sturdy. There's 2 handles that attach to the body of the jetpack with these cords. The helmet is kind of large, but I should be able to use some self-adhesive craft foam to fill it in some. The visor moves up and down. It is also removable. Inside the visor is a small area where you could place a plastic shield. Jeff at Skunkworks has a great video on this. The jetpack fits over the head and sits on the shoulders. It takes very little effort to get your action figure ready for this. That's what I like the most. I'll have to make an update video after I customize this. This jetpack reminds me of the Fisher-Price Adventure People scuba tanks. They fit over the head just like this. I really like self-contained vehicles like this. They're very cool and one of my favorites. Again, I want to thank Peter at Skull Reviews for sending me this. Keep an eye open for that update video. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please click that button. Drop a comment and tell me what you think about these jetpacks. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.